Draining negative self-talk creates stress, anxiety, burnout, procrastination, resistance to change, backstabbing, negative workplace, demotivated and unhappy team, and that comes along with low performance and a high employee turnover rate.
What we need is a confidence expert. Enter Nathalie Plamondon-Thomas here to help us get unstuck and move forward with confidence. She's an author and a confidence coach.
I'm joined here today with Nathalie Plamondon-Thomas, and she is an 8-time #1 best-selling author.
The shocking fact is that research shows that 70% of our thoughts are negative.
Confidence comes from our internal drivers.
We don't talk to other people like that. Like, you're not going to go and tell your friend, oh, you look fat in these jeans. Or, hey, what, you guys, you're starting a new business? It's never going to work. You're not good enough.
And it starts with the way you talk to yourself. You have a personal assistant in your head that writes down everything that you say or think and makes it happen.
So why do we trash talk ourselves like this? Like, who would want to be your friend if you talk to them the same way you talk to yourself?
People get up in the morning, they look at themselves in the mirror and they say, I look so tired. I'm so stressed out. I think I'm gaining weight. You're working hard. And these people were working hard at trying to get this truck unstuck until Albert, the leader of our group, came out and said, hey, you, have you ever had a friend who tells you, I think I'm going to do this? And you're like, dude, I've been telling you this for months. So then your personal assistant writes it down. Tired, stressed out, gaining weight. Perfect, I got this. I'm going to make that happen. You can't install the cupboards over top of the existing cupboards or the island over top of the existing island. We can't fix a problem in identity or beliefs and value by applying a behavioral or an environmental solution. But if you don't have you first, you can't be there for your family, for your kids, for your clients. And in 5 minutes, the truck was out. And this is what you do when you work smarter.